Hi, and welcome back to the channel. Today we are posing a question to any viewers out there. I started this channel about 6 months ago. The idea was to do Halloween themed content that kind of showed how we developed props and different inspirations that we had throughout the year, going through from November all the way through to the upcoming Halloween season in October. And just kind of how we worked on props, how we came up with new props, and everything like that. And we started with that, and we've done quite a bit of that over the months, as well as going into different inspirations that we've had, and other things where we can draw ideas from. And so far, I haven't gotten the response that I was hoping for. I didn't expect the channel to blow up or anything, but I did expect to have a goal and a hope that there would be more interest than I've gotten so far. I understand it's not Halloween season, so it's a little bit of an uphill battle there. But anyway, the content that I've done recently is for the Disney rides that we can get inspiration from, and I've gotten far more views and interest in those. So I'm considering now maybe we should just switch the theme of this channel to be full-on Disney, going through all kinds of Disney tips and tricks for visits, history of rides, and history of the parks themselves, and details that you can find in the parks if you look, news on new content, on new shows, new movies, new rides, rumors of things that are upcoming, that kind of stuff. So basically anything like that, places to eat, different things to do, all that kind of stuff. So I want to get some feedback, hopefully, or not. We'll see how it goes, to whether people would be interested in this, if this would be a good direction to go, if we could build a channel on that. I know there's a lot of Disney content out there already, so our focus would really be on finding interest and finding interesting things in the history and in the details of the parks, and just things that don't come up in normal Disney related topics generally, and also just getting the most out of your Disney trip, things again that maybe you wouldn't see or you wouldn't think to do, that kind of stuff. So that's kind of the idea, and I'd love some feedback. If people think that we should stick with the Halloween stuff, if people think we should move on to the Disney content, if they'd be interested in that, please let me know in the comments, whatever. Whether you still want to see the Halloween content. I think that we would still continue to have a kind of a spooky and theme underlying the Disney content. There's plenty of that to go around, so they would still have some Halloween content in there, and maybe do some Halloween stuff now and then, or to some degree maybe focus on some of our our props and things as they relate. But that's kind of what we're thinking about, and I just wanted to see if I could get any feedback on that, what anybody thinks, before we make a change, or any suggestions that anybody has. So if you're watching this and you think it's a good idea, you don't think it's a good idea, there's anything else we could do maybe that would improve the channel or get more interest, please let us know, and we'll think about it and see where we go. Thanks.